Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Assalamu alaikum. Hola, hola. Merhaba.
Let's start. First, go to Instagram. Go to search option and search Alina grec. Now go to audio. Tap on first audio. Now tap on use audio and record your video. Adjust length according to you. Now, after recording your video, open CapCut or any editing application. Go to New Project and add your recorded video. Select Format 9:16. Delete end part. Now tap on your video and extract audio. Now tap on audio and go to match cut. Now listen to the song and a beat at different hello sound. Now, add flags at beats point. Go to text and add flags. I'll provide all flags according to audio on my Telegram channel, so you can copy and paste here. Now add flags at each points and place. Now check your video. Now, select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.